What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we'll be looking at a trade I took on Usdcad yesterday morning. Now, the first thing that we want to do, as always, is look into the past to see what kind of information we can acquire to help us predict what we think is going to happen in the future when we start looking for our entry. So the first thing that I notice is that we have a head and shoulders pattern right here, and if we go to the 5-minute chart, we can see right here how clear as day this head and shoulders pattern is. And from past experience, more often than not, whenever you see this pattern at a key area in the market, such as this very strong resistance point, it's going to signal that price is going to drop. So once I have that in mind, I'm simply looking for price to form the right shoulder. And once that happens, I start looking for an entry. So once the right shoulder forms, we can see that we have a lot of bearish price action, but that's not all that we need. We need more confirmation. So right now we only have two confirmations. We have a head and shoulders pattern, and we have price structure changing on the right shoulder. But then we can also see right here that we have a retest of this structure break on the right shoulder. You can see how price came back up with this wick to retest this level right here where price structure broke and then tanked. And then we have price action signaling that the sell is about to take over. With this candle right here, you can see how buyers tried to push price back up but didn't have enough strength, and that's what created this huge wick. And then after that, you can see how price just tanks. So we entered our trade right here and we took a 1 hour put, and you can see how price just went exactly the way that we wanted. This trade was extremely in our favor. You can see how price just went south so fast. So this was a super simple trade. As always, like I like to keep my trades, you just need to look out for all of the clues and learn how to read the market and learn how to get in right before the move happens, so you don't have to sit around and wait for that consolidation period. Just simply wait for the price action and structure to tell you when price is going to make its move. So if you guys have any questions over anything that I talked about in this video, please just leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out and answer any questions that you have. And also, if you want to see more in-depth things about trading or when I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Facebook and Instagram and check out my stories. Also, with that being said, if you guys found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, please smash the like button or subscribe. You know, this really helps with the YouTube algorithm and spreads my video farther out so I can reach more people. So if you find this helpful, go ahead and do one of those things. It's free, so more people can see this and they can get the help that they need when it comes to trading. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.